That's for everything else.
Oh.
That's for scaring me.
What? Was it always going to be this way? Because I could get used to it. I think I just peed a little.
Hiccup, I know this must be really hard for you seeing everyone with their dragons. But you really did a wonderful thing. Thank you.
Alright, so imagine there are multiple versions of Earth.
No, Hiccup. No one was a better Viking than you today.
Yes, honey. Oh, honey. We're going again.
Oh my god!
Oh,
Well, this seems pretty perfect to me.
Yeah. I guess it does. I get it. This isn't the time. We can't take a chance on anyone doing anything different, including us. Astrid, I rely on you. It's what makes us, well, us. Deal?
Deal.
Oh! This changes
Everything.
Wait, so does this mean you're not dying?
My hands up to play my song, the butterflies fly away. Nodding my head like air, moving my hips like air. Put my hands up.
What you're searching for isn't out there, Hiccup. It's in here. Maybe you just don't see it yet.
Maybe.
Lady in aisle 6.
Mike, everything stop!
Hiccup, don't!
I have to.
This way!
Wait, what? See? I told you it was in here.
You're still doing that one. That's hilarious. Come here, you. Ooh.